seen this Bonderam since my childhood. Bonderam is called banderas during Portuguese time. Those Bonderams were different because nothing was much that the Kumila used to do. They used to buy they used to do the auction every year, and some Gaonkar only can buy it, go to it and buy it. There is a difference. Bonderam olden days, there is not much like these floats and all. That's what natural life. Like first is to start with the Bonderam with the flag march near the Kumlidar. Used to take around there. From there they start there. Then there is a fortas. Fortas means fire for the gun, like natural gun made up of bamboo tree. When we were young, we used to, my God, when once the 15 August comes, we used to run on the hills of all the island. We used to cut the bamboos to make the fortas. We used to make it fortas, and out of the fortas we used to put Sichuan seeds in it. It's very powerful, Sichuan seeds. It gets solid bullets on your body. It used to actually supposed to be fire it on the flags. That's the actual history. But that's the difference now, because there is a big float. Once the Kumlila stopped all this, our youth, young boys, they took it over. Voluntarily they took it and they started, and they are doing beautiful now. Beautiful. With those days there are no floats anymore. Only flags used to go, then fortas used to go with alcohol. Then they used to make some human, village means that bamboo. Field farmers, so they used to put that konde, ladies were made up of palm leaves. When they used to cut the load, they used to wear it and dance it with that. Then the brass band used to come afterwards. That's it. Now the floats, the dances, and next day after the Bonderam we got the harvest festival that they're doing by the church. Blessings and cutting the paddy. And then afternoon, then after your lunch and everything, they used to do katorio. Katorio means coconut breaking. Used to take the bamboo and run, keep the 3 steps of bamboo, turn it, and then they used to hold tight your eyes, eyes closed, face both. They used to break that coconut. You have to break that coconut. That's called katorio. And then after katorio, there's more. Bonderam.